I've been living under a rock recently and I don't know what happened. I guess life happened, busy jobs, things, summer, whatever. Anyways, I was speaking to my friend Colby Fayok, who is DevRel at Cloudinary, and we were talking about this thing called browser client hints. And I had no idea what he was talking about, but actually I should have known, because I am one of these people that really loves media on the web, how to deal with images, optimization, cropping, performance, videos, all the things. And I should have known about client hints. And if I didn't know, either I really lived under a rock, or maybe you also didn't fully know, because this is not fully browser compatible, but it really changes the game and makes images on the web a lot easier to deal with. So let's dive into what this actually is. What are browser client hints? All right, let's dive into what client hints actually are. So as it turns out, you can add a meta tag to the head of your browser, for now only Chromium based. And that meta tag allows the browser to send information about the browser and the user and the width and the pixel density and a few other things to the server. And then the server uses that data and returns the exact image that you need to the browser again, which means you don't actually have to make this whole complicated image tag with the source set and the sizes prop and all the stuff together, trying to figure out what is best for this image in this context. What you literally have to do is you make one image tag, then you add a sizes prop that says this is 33% width of the image of the browser for this image right now. When it gets a bit bigger, it goes to 100%. So just the sizes prop and the fact that you have the meta tag in your header will actually send everything to the server, and the server, when it's capable, returns the image exactly for that size based on the context of the user, which is awesome. And so now, of course, Cloudinary comes into play because they are really smart. So what you can do is use WAuto rather than the specific width of the W, like 300 pixels or something that you want. And if you send the client hints and you have WAuto and there's a sizes prop, Cloudinary knows exactly what to send back. And this is just magical. And it has a few other things. You can also check, okay, what is my pixel density for this screen? Maybe it's a Retina screen or it's a triple one, you know, on these new iPhones now. And essentially, it can then send you back an automated 3 times the size because of your Retina screen. And this is just amazing. And why didn't I know this before? I could have used that all the time, but no. I insisted on explaining all my colleagues what source sets were and picture tags and the super complicated things. And in the end, we could just have sent browser hints to the server returns the image that is just needed for that instance. It's so much cooler. Anyways, to prevent sending back any image at any size, because that would cost you a lot of transformations in Cloudinary, you can also just say, just take into account these breakpoints and only send an image back when the width of the browser is in that breakpoint. And Cloudinary has a set of default breakpoints, but you can also customize these and say, these are my breakpoints for my website. And now you give you client hints, and within these breakpoints, Cloudinary just always gives back that image. And so, yeah, this is a short video, but it's just so magical. I just wanted to talk to you about it because I will be using this from now on. And also, if your browser doesn't, have this feature yet, like Safari or Firefox, Cloudinary actually has fallbacks here, right? You can just say WAuto inside the breakpoints, and then you can say, you know what, if that doesn't work, just give me the 500 pixel image back. And then you're good to go. Anyways, that's it. Cheers.